Hello and welcome to my little tutorial of my text-to-speech app. Maybe you know it. It's getting more complex, so I thought I say some things on the new version and the main things, the handling, the usage. Yes, but not so far, just a little overview, maybe 10 minutes. So here we are. You see text-to-speech 10. It's starting up in the library, and here in the library is the central point for your news, for your websites to find. So and the handling is pretty easy. What you have to do, you need maybe you need a share button, the sharing button. This is the main thing you need. Oh, there's my recording tool. The sharing button is the important thing you need to know about my app. You can simply call a website with a modern browser with Edge. Then you have the sharing button. Let's try. We press the sharing button. We select text-to-speech 10, and if we got network, the app will do its job. Yeah, here we are. Now we're saving pictures and stuff. And there, lower there, it's the newest item. And that's it. Now you can after work you do some after work finish. You can edit the text, but you need a premium license therefore. What can we do else? We can add it to the playlist, maybe per drag and drop. We can also sort. It will work. You don't have to save. It will autosave. And there was our new item. I will simply move it to the playlist. Playlist is this little item. You can also look there. Playlist, this little item. And the newest item is number 5. And now we can refresh the playlist. It'll take some time because it will count for it will synthesize the first message, and after the first message you can use the player even it's not ready with the whole playlist. You can walk through the finished tracks at this moment. So what's new? This is new. I fixed this so you can also cancel on desktops if you want. And that's maybe the basics. These are the basics. We can finish that we can walk through the list. It will look much better if we can move through all the items. Yeah, I'm running in debug mode. It's not so fast, but it's just a debug mode. I can switch it off later. Maybe I'll do it now. I'll quickly switch off the debug. I don't need it. So now we are faster. So playlist, we were in the playlist. We do the refresh. The refresh button is the starting point. Every time you want to start the player, use the refresh button. Now you can walk through. It's ready. Everything's calculated. The files are laying in the local data store, so we can start immediately to hear it. But there are some fine things I implemented. At first, just a second. The important thing is you have to know that you open PDF playlists here inside the player now, since today. So it's no problem to mount a playlist, a PDF playlist, and to go back to the standard playlist. Standard playlist is populated from the library. Every item you take and put it to the playlist, it will be added to the standard playlist. There we have. Now we have to refresh again. It's calculating. Waveform 6 of 6, and there we are. We can hear it. Another fine thing is I will place the text inside the player. If you don't know, here you can also read if you want. But it sounds pretty good. You don't have to.